Number 1. 1992 Ford F-150, price $7,950, with just 98,000 miles, finished in a red exterior over a complete, well-kept gray interior. Powered by a strong-running 5.0L V8 gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission, this two-wheel drive truck runs great with no error lights, no major leaks, and cold air conditioning. The body remains straight with rust-free floors finished in original gray primer, and the frame has never been undercoat, showing only light surface rust with zero rot. Cosmetically, the paint is decent overall, showing minor flaws expected of its era such as clear coat peel on the driver's side fender, a dent in the passenger door, and miscellaneous light scratches. Mechanically sound in driving without issue, it could simply use a fresh set of tires and routine age-related tune-up maintenance, making it an exceptionally honest and rust-free daily cruiser or project candidate. Number 2. 2000 Ford Ranger, price $5,995, with 237,000 miles logged on the odometer. Finished in a bold black exterior paired with a neat gray interior, both the body and cabin remain in exceptionally great condition for a 26-year-old pickup, built on a solid frame that has held up remarkably well over the years. Driven by a reliable gasoline engine paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission, this truck delivers dependable performance along with an HVAC system that works flawlessly, providing icy-cold air conditioning and strong heat for year-round driving comfort. Setting it apart from average street trucks, this Ranger features a custom lowered suspension stance and rides on an eye-catching set of 20-inch wheels fitted with Pirelli low-profile tires all around for enhanced grip and aggressive visual appeal. Overall, this well-maintained Ford Ranger offers an ideal combination of unique custom aesthetics, proven mechanical reliability, and comfortable daily usability, making it completely turnkey and ready for its new owner to take the wheel. Number 3. 2001 Dodge Ram 2500, price $9,495. The truck stands out as an exceptionally well-kept, single-owner heavy-duty backed by a completely clean title and a remarkably low original odometer reading of just 150,000 miles. Finished in a striking blue exterior over a tidy gray interior, this gasoline-free, diesel-powered truck showcases outstanding pride of ownership with zero reported damage, intact airbags, and a structurally sound body that runs and drives with full capability. At the heart of this truck lies the legendary 5.9L inline six-cylinder Cummins turbo diesel engine, paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission to deliver the massive low-end torque, bulletproof reliability, and effortless towing performance that made this generation iconic. Further enhancing its utility, the truck features a versatile 4x4 drivetrain equipped with a rear-wheel drive mode, allowing for optimal fuel efficiency on the highway alongside rugged off-road traction when needed. Whether intended as a heavy-duty workhorse, a long-distance tow vehicle, or a highly collectible second-generation Ram platform, this well-maintained SLT model offers an incredible combination of single-owner history, low mileage, and proven Cummins power ready for immediate duty. Number 4. 2000 Chevrolet 2500, price $9,900, showcasing just 58,000 miles on the odometer. Presented in a clean white exterior paired with a classic gray interior. Powered by a massive 7.4L 454 big block V8 gasoline engine coupled with a smooth automatic transmission, this robust 4x4 pickup is built for serious capability and features a spacious 8-foot bed ideal for hauling large loads. The truck is in clean condition throughout, running and driving effortlessly while offering modern driving conveniences like power door locks, cold air conditioning, and a brand new set of tires for optimal road traction. Overall, this well-preserved Chevrolet 2500 delivers an unbeatable combination of original big block V8 power, low mileage, and functional heavy-duty utility. Number 5. 2000 GMC Sierra, price $7,500, featuring a low odometer reading of just 113,700 miles, presented in a vibrant red exterior over a practical gray interior. Powered by a dependable gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission, this vehicle runs great and has plenty of life left after spending most of its time handling light routine trips to the hardware store, grocery runs, sports practice drop-offs, and a couple of years of daily work commuting. The truck remains in remarkably good overall shape, highlighted by an exceptionally clean truck bed and a preserved original window sticker that showcases all of its factory options, though it does show some typical age-related paint issues with the clear coat peeling off. Number 6. 1998 GMC 1500, price $8,000. The truck is a well-maintained 4x4 pickup showing 288,000 miles, presented in a clean white exterior paired with an exceptionally pristine gray interior. Powered by a strong-running 5.7L Vortec V8 gasoline engine paired with a 4L60E automatic transmission, the body has seen honest restoration work over time, with the rocker panels, cab corners, and bedsides previously repaired, alongside a properly reconstructed rear frame section and fresh rear bumper installed in 2023 that easily handles heavy towing. While the cabin stays warm with strong heat, the air conditioning currently does not blow cold, and there is an intermittent check engine light related to an O2 sensor that does not affect how smoothly the truck runs. Adding to its unique character, the engine bay features detailed maintenance records written in paint marker by the previous owner, complete with both original keys and a clean title in hand. Number 7. 1997 Nissan D21, price $7,000, showing just 83,000 miles on the odometer, presented in a clean gray exterior paired with a matching gray interior. Driven by an economical 4-cylinder gasoline engine mated to an engaging 5-speed manual transmission, this truck runs and drives great while delivering excellent fuel efficiency for daily commutes or weekend errands. The vehicle has been exceptionally well cared for over the years, retaining its iconic boxy styling and classic Japanese reliability, with modern LED headlights added to enhance nighttime visibility. Number 8. 2003 Dodge Dakota, price $3,500. With 219,000 miles logged on the odometer, presented in a clean white exterior complemented by a well-preserved tan interior. Driven by a powerful 4.7L Magnum V8 gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission, this truck delivers robust performance and runs and drives like a much newer vehicle with zero issues. The truck boasts a structurally sound, rust-free body and sits on a solid set of tires, offering great stability and road handling. Inside, the spacious 4-door crew cab layout provides a clean, comfortable environment equipped with icy-cold air conditioning that operates flawlessly. Offering a fantastic combination of strong V8 towing capability, versatile passenger room, and rock-solid mechanical reliability, this Dodge Dakota is completely turnkey and ready for its next owner to drive home. Number 9. 1991 Chevrolet S10, price $3,000, showing 120,000 miles on the odometer and presented in a clean gray exterior over a matching gray interior. Driven by a robust 4.3L V6 gasoline engine paired with a smooth 700R4 automatic transmission featuring overdrive, this truck delivers responsive performance, excellent highway cruising capability, and surprisingly great fuel efficiency for daily driving. Mechanically sound and ready to be driven anywhere with complete confidence, the vehicle features an exceptionally solid body and frame with very minimal rust overall. Inside, the cabin comes equipped with a functional factory air conditioning setup that is intact but likely requires a standard refrigerant recharge to return to peak cooling performance. Number 10. 2001 Ford F-150, price $2,800, powered by a strong 5.4L V8 gasoline engine delivering 317 horsepower and paired with a smooth automatic transmission. This truck offers a balanced 13/18 mpg rating alongside a practical 5.5 footbed for daily hauling. Built with 212,000 miles logged on the odometer, it comes fully equipped for comfort and convenience with power windows, power door locks, power steering, a tilt wheel, cruise control, keyless entry, cold air conditioning, and a power driver's seat. Entertainment and safety are well covered thanks to an AM/FM stereo with a single-disc CD/MP3 player, four-wheel ABS, and dual front airbags, while the exterior highlights stylish alloy wheels and integrated fog lights.